Sunday morning, and we're doing gambler races. Here's the lineup. I don't think these guys, that guy might be racing in the old wagon. Crown Vic, Prius with the Camry engine in the back, plus the front engine. You got a sweet Camaro, Opel. Then you got the Grandma Keith Mustang. Looks like is that a Duster? Twin turbo. Then we got the Beast, the Plymouth Dually, Chrysler. What was this? This is a New Yorker?
I think so.
Helga, Mr. Business. We got the Honda hatchback, the Beretta, the TAZR. I don't think the Accord is racing, so I lined up toward the front so that I could get out of here as soon as we're done, because I got 8 hours of driving to go. But parade lap first, and then where they're gonna line us up and do some laps. All right, lined up to go first. Just the parade lap basically has filled me with dirt. You can see my face already just from going around on the side-in lap. But looks like I'm in the first heat. I probably won't get any video, so hopefully I can steal some video from some of these fine spectators who are filming it for us. Looking good. He's got to judge his speed here. Go, Jared! Whoa! Oh, here's some tire rub right here. Oh! He is off the track.
The track's just suggestive, right?
They're more like guidelines.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, let's see if he jumps. Smart. He took the smart route. Uh-oh. I just heard a noise over from Jared. I heard a boom. Oh, I didn't see. Did he go off track? Oh, he's not on the track anymore. Jared!
Clutch dump. I clutch dumped, tried to get out of that corner. She fucking ripped out and I went into a ditch and broke the wheel.
Oh my goodness.
The ball joints, they're still good, but that wheel is fucking toast.
Jared, what happened?
Well, I sent her a little too hard.
I told your wife, I said, this is the dangerous lap when you started the third lap.
Oh yeah.
Because that's where you're going for it.
Yeah, I went all out and she was on the limiter. I went into that last turn in first on the limiter the whole way and then I clutched down over the hill.
Your clutch pedal is a little...
Yeah, my clutch pedal is now facing the wrong direction and I'm not sure I have a clutch. Sounded like a flat tire.
Oh yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ouch. Does it look less dusty?
A lot. Yes. Tenfold.
Will he drift?
No. Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, that's a little bit.
Good.
All right, he's not going to see this coming.
Rebound and scrape. Oh. Take care. Take care. Almost.
Watch these bumps. Watch these bumps.
Boy, get it.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap.
That motor's shot. You see his blow by coming out of the valve cover? That's not his turbo exhaust. See it?
Yeah.
That's not his turbo.
Oh my
He's
goodness.
going way too hard.
Nope, nope, he's going Danny Pine.
This is lap 1. Wait till lap 3.
Uh-oh.
He really is.
Get it! Woo! You better go.
Careful waving your arm.
That is not good. I don't think that's good.
He's going to have to get off the track. He's going to catch him before the end of this lap. Look.
Danny will pass.
Boy, Danny.
Tyler, wave the town bank at the yellow to take a bite so Danny can fly again. And we will round the There you go. Okay, go Danny, go! Go, 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 go.
Good job, Scott! Woo!
There's not going to be take over my ass.
Yeah, he said it.
It's the jump. Oh, is she gonna make this turn? Is it still running?
Drop the yellow. Yellow.
Oh, keep going.
She should pull off.
That's
Whoa! That's the end of the two-wheel drive class. I did not get first, second, third, but I did not get last, so that was good. A power steering hose burst on my last lap, so I didn't get to finish. I'll show you the damage. So as I was coming around to start the third lap, I felt a little funny, smelled funny, and you could see this is all, it's all oily in here. And yeah, there's a puddle down there of power steering fluid, and then also lost my fan shroud, but should be good. I'm gonna go load it up on the trailer and get out of here, but that was a lot of fun. Good to be out here at the Utah Gambler 500. Here comes my neighbor Scott here. Let's see what happened to his Crown Vic. Did you figure out the power issue?
I'm misfiring.
Misfiring? Not great. You beat my time.
I did?
Yeah.
At least I beat someone.
Yeah, I'm glad I can make you feel good.
Dude, that guy.
That's a wrap on the Utah Gambler 500. I'm just leaving the Buckskin Recreation course. They did a good job this year. Appreciate all the people that put the time and effort into setting up the Utah Gambler 500. They did a good job. Thank you to the Panther crew who took care of me and took me under their wing, let me follow them so I didn't get lost this time. But it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun to take the TAZR out on the course. I wasn't the fastest, but I had a great time. Doesn't look like the TAZR is going to be too hard to fix, so that was a win too. So we're on the way back. Got about 8 hours of driving, but appreciate you watching.